Today we're on the back side of the beaches to show you a section of the Grand Strand that many tourists don't get to see. The Atlantic Intracoastal Waterway. So sit tight as we roll on down the river. What's happening, everybody? We are Beachin with the Boones, and today we hitched a ride with some friends to spend some time on the famous Atlantic Intracoastal Waterway. So if you like seeing cool things around the beach, make sure you like and subscribe so you can keep beaching. But before we get going, let us tell you how we got here. First, we had to head north on Highway 17 from Myrtle Beach and turn behind Barefoot Landing in North Myrtle Beach. Made our way to the Barefoot Marina, and now that we're here, it's time to load up, pull anchor, and set sail. Well, we're on a pontoon, so we'll just untie and pull away from the dock. Instructions.
So right, go past the inlet, take the markers, and then you can reach up there. On there, when you get out, get right up to the beach and let everybody get off the
Here we go.
Okay.
Alrighty, and right past the buoy is where all the fun begins.
It is.
Let's go. Take it down.
to Cricket Cove Marina right here on the north end of Myrtle Beach to eat at Snooky's on the water.
Holla.
Somebody got stung by a jellyfish
See that? Just a little bit.
right there on Bird Island, right?
Exactly.
So let's find out what we can find at Snooky's.
Holla.
Somebody wants to eat
Coming
oysters.
in like it's hot.
Thank you for hanging out with us as we travel just a portion of the Intracoastal Waterway. If you'd like to see more beach things, make sure you like and subscribe. And as always, keep beaching.